Welcome back. Now again, if you are part of the KDB Select program, what you can also do is you can run a Kindle countdown deal. And one of the benefits of running a Kindle countdown deal is that they appear on a special page dedicated to these kinds of deals on Amazon.com. And as you can see with the Kindle countdown deal, if you look to the right side, you'll notice that there is a countdown clock and the buyer is told that their price will be going up within a certain period of time. Now, to run a Kindle countdown deal, your price does need to be at least $2.99 on Amazon.com. When you do this, just as you did the free promotion, you'll have a start date and you'll have an end date. And then what you'll need to do is you'll need to set a number of price increments with a starting price and an ending price. For example, you can have your price go up $1 every 24 hours, starting at $1.99, ending at a regular price of $4.99. So once you've set and confirmed your promotion, you can then click Save. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.